Hi YouTube, I am Shweta. Welcome back to my channel. So, today's video is going to be a very interesting one. It's going to be your partner's or your person's late night thoughts about you. It's going to be very fun. I love making videos like this. And yeah, I'm so grateful and so happy with still so much of love that is coming to me. You guys are sending in such amazing messages. You're telling me you watched this video at this time, it was 111 when you watched it, and I feel so happy that you are actually liking the way I am reading the cards, which is really nice. And yeah, just please keep supporting me. I really request you guys to tell me what resonated, where was it that you were like, okay, this is accurate. Please do connect with me. Like the video, comment what you feel like watching from me next time. And yes, when you are sending me requests, I will definitely look into it. I usually do also, but there will be certain times where I feel called to do certain types of readings, and I will feel called to do X type of readings. So just don't mind me delaying it a little bit, because I also don't want to work under pressure, and I am very particular about that. Like, if I'm picking up a topic, then it has to ring to me. It has to make sense to me. Only then it will make sense to you. So that, thank you so much for sending your requests, because I sometimes lack a lot of ideas, so you help me with that. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. I think that is very important these days. I don't know if my videos are reaching to you, or you are able to see my videos at all. So please do press the bell icon, because every important information will be updated, and it will be something that you want to watch. So please do that. And yeah, without any further delay, let's get into it. If you are interested in booking your personal sessions, then you can also just check the description below, and there is all the details that you want to see. Okay, so we have a pile selection now. So it's going to be a pick a pile reading. What your person or your partner's late night thoughts are, it's going to be a pick a pile. There are two piles in front of you, very simple, two candles. This is a candle. One is a red candle and one is a green candle. Okay, simple. So choose very carefully. There are two candles here. One is a red one is a green one. So whatever feels called to you, you can choose that. Okay, pause the video and decide. This is what it is. All right, so if you have chosen pile number 1, which is this red color candle, then this is going to be your tarot reading, where we are going to see what are your partner's late night thoughts about you. So right off the bat, I think you are a person who's wearing red, maroon, pink, salmon pink. You are wearing, I think, light pink, baby pink kind of a top. वो रानी पिंक कलर होता है ना, ये वाला रानी पिंक एनर्जी ऑल्सो आई कैन सी. You might be having DEIA LGPRS or Y in your name, not your name starting from it, your name. Okay, so this is going to be your reading. If this is you, then congrats. If it isn't, even then, if you've chosen pile number 1, this is for you. Okay, now let's see your partner's late night thoughts. First and foremost, let's see what are their connecting energies, something that would make you feel like, huh, Shweta is talking about my person only. Okay, so let's see what are their connecting energies. Batao bhai. This person is extremely like adventurous. They love adventure. This person is a go-getter. I feel like this person is always wanting to be optimistic. This person has like, okay, I'm getting this energy with this person's bucket list has either scuba diving, skydiving, bungee jumping, going in a forest, like something of that sorts, like man versus wild kind of an energy. This person is very adventurous, and because of that adventure, I'm getting that energy where this person is a big go-getter, right? They are people who do not like to sit back. They like to be like, chalo chalo, let's go, let's do something. They have a lot of fiery energy within them. They could be a fire element. This person could be of Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and this person is having that kind of optimism towards life. Your partner, your person has a kind of an optimism towards life, which is the reason why you feel very nice with them. Like, you feel like this person, you feel like this person has a lot of things sorted for them. This person has, at least mentally, they're pretty sorted. They have this kind of a perspective towards life, which is very enriching. It's very profound. It's a winner like quality. Like ये ऐसी quality होती है जो एक person को बहुत ही जिंदा दिली बोलते हैं ना, जिंदा दिली रखते हैं. This person is very close to their family, very close to their family. This person actually has like a really deep family values as well. I feel like you might also have been introduced to their family. Like, I feel like you or your partner have been like know each other's family or know each other's siblings or know each other's friends like family हो सकता है. तो ये कनेक्शन भी है कि आप एक दूसरे के फ्रेंड्स फैमिली को जानते होगे. ओके, दिस पर्सन इज ह्यूज मल्टीटास्कर. यू विल नेवर सी देम वेस्ट टाइम. यू विल नेवर सी, मतलब ये अगर खाली भी बैठे होंगे ना, they will watch something, they'll watch news, they will consume something very interesting, they will read a book, they will pick up a hobby. Matlab they are always doing something or the other. If you call them and you're like, okay, what are you up to, you will realize that this person is doing something else only. They don't like to sit on their phone. The phone pe I'm sure that this person also doesn't like to chat a lot. This person doesn't like to be on calls all the time. Sorry, I'm getting, yeah, this person will be on calls, or will never be on calls all the time. This person will not be around their phone a lot. This person will be like, yeah, if you want to talk to me face to face, or we can, like, they don't like to sit on their phone too much. So either you meet them, either you meet them. So that is what they want to do. Even if they want to like talk to you, they will be like, I can't text you, call me. मतलब texting वाला वो जो बैठ के call me. They will be that kind of a people. Okay, anything else? This person is very creative as well. Like this person I feel like this person believes in the idea of not being perfect in one craft, but in multiple. So this person will be a person who's an adventurous person, but also loves to do creative things, but also loves to do something like coding. They like to do something which is very robotics. मतलब they would watch something like AI वगैरह बहुत देखते होंगे. AI like not AI content, but they would be studying about AI a lot. This person could be interested in machine learning or some or the other things, but this person just wants to do. मतलब इनको कुछ करा दो, इनको बैठ के बस करा दो कुछ, and they will enjoy a lot, right? I'm getting a lot of page swords, page of wands kind of an energy here, which is nice. So this is your person. This is going to be your, for this person, we are going to do tarot reading, okay? Now, let's see what are the late night thoughts about you. Late night means रात को सोते समय क्या सोचते हैं आपके बारे में, okay? तो पहले देखते हैं, first let's see whether they think about you or not. Sometimes this also happens and they don't think about you. And if they don't think about you, then the point of this tarot reading will just go, okay? Look at my headband. It's cute, okay? So let's see whether they even think about you. What, like, if they think about you, how they think about you, क्या है, क्या zone में सोचते हैं आपके बारे में. Let's see. I have a lot of decks here. So let's see. Think about the person. Think about your guy or a girl, man, woman, or any other person. They have a pet. Do they have a cat? They have a dog also. They are interested in snakes also. They like, some people are scared of snakes. This person wants to be around snakes. They like snakes also. I don't know why I'm getting it. Could be you also. It could be you also. Okay, do they think about you or not? This person also knows horse riding. I don't know why I'm getting this energy. This person does think about you. I feel like this person has very mature thoughts about you. Not 18 plus. No. Not like that. But they don't think about you in like a, oh my God, he or she is so beautiful. Or, oh my God, this person is so gorgeous. No, not like that. They think about like future. They look at, okay, is this person a part? Can I see this person in my future? Like, what does this person bring to the table? And they also have some confusing energies about it as well. Like they are flippant when it comes to your involvement in their life. I feel like this person is like when they think about you like late night, I feel like there is a lot of learning that they have about your personality. Like they learn a lot about you. They understand who you are. They understand the person behind that face. Maybe you're always very happy or giddy around them, but they try to understand, okay, she felt like this or he felt like this. आज जो बात हुई उसका impact ये था, और what I spoke about, it made her or made him feel like this or made her feel like this. So it's more about like the internal aspect of the energies and not the external. And I feel like they also get very doubtful energies from you. Like they feel like even she or he is doubtful, and they are like, I think this person is also giving me confusing energies. They feel confused about your energies. Let's just put it that way. They also are confused कि what does he or she really want? कि इस person को चाहिए क्या मुझसे? This is what your partner is thinking. Okay, your partner is thinking कि what do you want from me? But they are thinking that they are getting mixed signals from you. Maybe you're not giving mixed signals. Maybe you're not giving any signals, but they get mixed signals from you. Like maybe you are not, I feel, okay, let's see your energies actually. Let's see your energies. Okay. Let's see आप ऐसे क्या करते हो जो उनको confuse करता है भाई. Let's see that, है ना? Let's see that. Sorry, guys, my readings are very like, ये मुझे सोचना है तो मैं ऐसे reading करूँगी. It's never कि okay, I'm talking about this, then this. It's never like that. कुछ भी आया मन में तो मैं उसके लिए clarify करूँगी. So please bear with me, okay? So let's see. Yeah, let's see. Okay. Damn. You are a great listener. मतलब आप उनकी बातें बहुत अच्छे से सुनते हो. You give really good advice and you're very sensitive to them. I feel like you give them the kind of emotional catharsis that they need. You know, this is a person who's a very heavy on like masculine traits. Even if this is a woman, even if this is a woman, they are heavy on masculine traits, and you bring that calmness, that patience, that sense of shant, you know, that kind of an energy, and you really calm them down. I feel like even if you touch them, they will feel calm, and that is what they think about you. So they must be reeling on the fact that, you know, the way this person calmed my emotions down, or is the yin to my yang, you know, that kind of an energy, or yang to my yin, right? So okay, what is the confusion about? But you have not been able to tell me, spirit, please. What is the confusion about? This person is getting confusion energies because sometimes you act very like you act very professional with them. Do you get it? Like I'm getting 8 of Pentacles and 3 of Pentacles with 4 of Pentacles in reverse. So pentacle बढ़े हैं. So sometimes you're like very emotional and friendly. Sometimes you're like, okay, I'm expecting you to do this. I'm expect like you become very professional. आप friendly नहीं हो जाते, एकदम professional हो जाते हो कि आप ऐसे एक्ट करते हो जैसे आप एचआर से बात कर रहे हो, राइट? सो समटाइम्स यू बिकम वेरी लाइक देयर इज अ ड्यूअल एनर्जी दैट यू आल्सो possess, where sometimes you're very emotional and very like internal when it comes to their energies, and sometimes you give that kind of a vibe where, yeah, don't come near me, like I'm working on myself, I am doing this, I'm doing that. And why are you doing this? I think you don't want to give any wrong hints. I think you don't want to come across desperate. I don't think like you like this person, but you also have a sense of like self-respect, and you don't want to get this kind of a imagery in front of your person कि भाई I'm dying to be with you and you know you are my everything. मतलब आप ऐसे immaturely नहीं act करना चाहते हो. Even with the Queen of Cups, like even when you show that kind of a cathartic energy towards your person, you give it because you are having that kind of a emotional maturity to tell this person कि यार great that you are doing this and you're so spontaneous and you're so excited, but relax. Your overexcitedness is going to bring you problems. Or maybe sometimes you are that kind of a listening figure, and they must be an energy who gets very like flippant, मतलब बहुत ही मतलब ओवर एक्साइटेड एंड बहुत ही टॉकेटिव है. तो आप उनकी बातों को अलाइन करने की कोशिश करते हो, बट maybe you don't want to give that impression that, you know, you are trying to fix them. You don't want to give that impression that you are completely like a bitch गए उनके लिए कि मतलब, you know, with the Queen of Cups, see, one thing about Queen of Cups is that she has a lot of mystery around her, and you are also mysterious. मतलब आप अपने cards openly नहीं खोलते हो. You're just like, I want to show that I care for this person, but I don't want to be like a rag doll कि मतलब use me and be with me and do whatever you want. ऐसे नहीं हो आप. So that is what they are thinking कि, you know, I'm getting this such flippant energy where I feel like this person, this is what your partner is saying. आपके partner क्या सोच रहे हैं कि the person that I like is showing me that affection, is showing me that care, but sometimes I feel like they are, or you are very closed off with the 4 of Pentacles also. Like you, like sometimes you also talk to other people as well. And I'm getting this energy where you can become very, like if your work or your career is at stake, then you'll not talk to them. Then you'll be like, listen, I need to get back to work. मैं उसके बाद बात करूंगी, which is very nice because you are not a typical kind of an energy which is like, okay, I'll do my work later and I'll talk to you. It's okay, I can take off from my office, or I can take an off from my college. No, for you, studies, for you, your career is very important. And maybe that is what is giving them mixed signals, because it has not been very common for them कि हाँ, somebody is actually choosing something else also as a priority. But you are that kind of a person who is very mature. I can see like your maturity is what is giving them a confusion कि भाई प्यार में तो लोग अंधे होते हैं, बट इसने तो आँख खुली रखी हैं. You know, kind of that energy. No offense, मतलब आपका मजाक नहीं उड़ा रही हूँ, but I'm just getting that kind of a feeling. Okay, that is what your late night partner's thoughts are. Let's get some more information. What else is coming to me? See, मतलब I'm getting this energy where you both are at a very nice dynamic. It's almost like there is a hush hush energy. अभी ज़्यादा confession चीज़ें हुई नहीं है. Confession वाली बातें हुई नहीं है. There's not been a lot of confession here, and both of you are kind of seeing how both of you are trying to gauge each other's energies. मतलब it's that kind of a zone that you're in, and it could very well be a starting of a relationship, or it could be like a long term coming, जो भी है. But I'm getting this energy where both of you are not really opening up your cards anymore. Like even here, I have got the 7 of Cups and little bit of Knight of Pentacles. मतलब there is a sense of, let me see how it goes and let me understand what the energies are. Okay, so let's see any more information. What else is your late night? Arey bhai, one second. Yeah, see, too soon energy. Like you don't want to get serious too soon, right? And you both are wanting to get to know each other, and that's what I'm sensing with the partner also. Like you don't want to commit before you have seen and reflected in every aspect of this person's energies. Matlab, this is a nitpicking that is that the partner is doing about your personality, about your behavior, about how you are responding to them, about how you are reacting with their friends and families. I think there are certain places where this person also like when they're thinking about you, they also have some expectations, and you break those expectations in a good way, in a positive way. I feel like this person, what you give in this relationship is very new and very refreshing of what this person has always seen or had. मतलब आप ऐसे हो that you give a lot of, like, you challenge them. Okay, you challenge their expectations in a good way. So it's not that you are running for their attention or you are begging for their attention. You're challenging their energies, and you're like, okay, if you can act like that, so can I, kind of an energy. Like, I'm getting that kind of vibration. Let me see anything else. Whoa, sorry, huh, guys. I knew this would fall. Yeah, hangman. See, up. You're not opening up, bro. You're not opening up. Queen of Pentacles. Like, I'm seeing so many queens. But you know what? You're giving me the energy. This could be a man also. This is a man. If you're watching this, it's fine. You're like, it's okay. Like, you are that kind of an energy. I'm getting, like extremely high vibrational women. Like, I don't know. I'm getting a vision of Mary Magdalene, Draupadi. I'm getting an imagery of, like, I'm getting an energy of like a very high vibrational woman, like Rani Padmavati types, who is like, I'm smart, you're intelligent, you're emotional, you're homely, yet you have your own personality, you have your own say, you have your own, like, perspective towards things. You don't get dabawed. Nobody can tell you to do something without your consent. And with the hangman, hangman usually talks about like being sacrificial in nature or adjusting. Here I'm getting the hangman energy where, like, look at this person, like, he's calm, right? It's like you are that kind of a person who's not going to let this person think in a straight way. You'll always challenge this person's thoughts. You'll always push this person to think from a very different lens. It's very interesting because remember, I told you in the initial energies of this guy or this girl, this person was spontaneous. This person was, do or die, never say die attitude, very go getter. What you do is you bring a sense of nuance. You say that not everything has to be go, 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 go. Do you get it? तो जो ठहराव है ना वो आप लाते हो. You tell this person that not everything requires full energy, 100% totally involved. Sometimes being self-reflective, taking a step back is actually taking a step forward. So you are that kind of a, like, you are the Chanakya in their person's life, and this is like a Chandragupta Maurya energy, right? You bring in that kind of understanding, you bring in that whole worldly perspective. This person has horse blinders. Remember, I told you this person knows how to ride horses as well. So this person has horse blinders like this. This person only will think this way. What you do is you open up this person to the other things that are around you, around this person, which are not in their periphery. So maybe you can tell them about certain people also. Look, I don't think, you must be saying this, I don't know what your dynamic with the XYZ person is, but I don't get good energies from them. I feel like you're very intuitive also. कि आपको intuitively messages आते होंगे या intuitively आपको feeling आ जाती होगी about what is wrong in this person's life, in your person's life, and you would tell this person, and your person will be like, how do you know? And you're just, I know it. Like, I know people, I know energies. Trust me, this is not a right. Like, you are able to make them aware of the things that they're not aware about, and that is why this person is so attracted to you or attached to you, because you are challenging them. You are not a yes man. You are not a person who's like, yeah, whatever you say, I agree, like, like a kitten. No, you always will ensure that this person, like, look at this vibe. This is you, dude. This is you. Like, black woman, cat woman kind of a vibe. Like, like, who's that lady in Marvel? Like Scarlett Johansson's character. Just let me know. Black Widow. So this Black Widow, like, with the red hair, like, you're a Black Widow. But this person will be thinking that they are spontaneous and they are adventurous. But when they met you, they will be like, dude, this is the kind of a person who actually is daring. डेयरिंग वो लोग नहीं होते जो अंधों की तरह रिस्क लेते हैं. डेयरिंग वो लोग होते हैं जो कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क लेते हैं, जो करेक्ट टाइम पे कब हिट करना होता है ना वो जानते हैं. एंड दिस इज यू. सो यू आर अ पर्सन हु इज लाइक राइडिंग ऑन बोथ द मोटरसाइकल्स. मे बी यू नो हाउ टू राइड अ मोटरसाइकिल, और मे बी यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन नोइंग हाउ टू राइड अ मोटरसाइकिल, और मे बी यू लव टू लाइक गो ऑन रोड ट्रिप्स. मे बी दिस इज यू. एंड यू आर दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन की भाई, it is not one thing only, it is both, balance of both, black and white, balance of both, like push energy and laid back energy. When it is time to push, you push. When it is time to shut the F up. You want to shut the F up. Do you get it? So I feel like this is a very interesting energy, and I think that is why this connection is so strong. And this is all what your partner is thinking, okay? This is like all the things that is reading back into their life. Um, there are certain places where they also know that there is a reason why you are like this, okay? सी अगर आप मच्योर हो, अगर आप इंट्यूटिव हो, तो आपके पार्टनर भी थोड़ा तो उन्होंने जिंदगी देखी है ना. योर पार्टनर इज ऑल्सो सीन अ सम काइंड ऑफ लाइफ टू बी एबल टू गेज सम और देयर थिंग्स अबाउट यू एज वेल. सो दे आर समटाइम्स एबल टू सी थ्रू योर maturity. Sometimes they are able to see through the kind of, you're like a strong woman or strong man energy. They are able to see through it. They're able to see that there are certain huge inflictions that have happened in your life that has made you like this, that has made you a person who's like this. I feel like there are places where your partner is able to recognize that there is some vulnerabilities that you share, that you also need some healing, that you also need saving, and this person is wanting to kind of get to know that side of you. I feel like you are a person who doesn't reveal your weaknesses very easily. I feel like you're a person who, no matter what, wants to give a impression that I know how integrated I am. Like, I feel like that kind of an energy from you. I need to confirm this. Can I confirm it? Can I confirm it? Can I confirm it? Okay, let's confirm this energy. No, from this. Okay, right? I feel like you don't want to tell what your vulnerabilities are, and it can be healthy sometimes, but for this particular energy, it is fine. Okay, again, one card has fallen. Yeah, I feel like with the sun, some kind of an inner childhood trauma I'm getting. It's not like you don't want to share, it's like you want to wait for the right time. Let's put it this way. Yeah, King of Wands. I think there's some kind of a daddy issues also I'm getting. Some kind of a father wounds, brother wounds, masculine energies. Yeah, seek again Queen of Cups. मतलब आपको नहीं, you don't want to release any kind of an information that makes you feel like you had difficulty in life. I'm getting this inner child energies very strongly. Don't share if you're not comfortable. But if you can tell me what that could be, you let me know, okay? Maybe in my personal chat or whatever. But there is something that this person is wanting to figure out, which they have not been able to figure out yet. I know it because I read it. And there's some kind of inner child energies where I'm also getting sibling rivalry. I don't know why. When I look at the sun, I've got the sibling energy, like sibling rivalry, or your parents being differentiating between two kids, between you and your sibling, and you always felt the need to be the one who had to sacrifice, because remember, I got the hangman energy कि आपने हमेशा adjust करा. You always been like, it's okay, let my sibling get the better of it, let my sibling be the one. And that has actually made you mature at a very young age. That has made you mature at a very young age. And somewhere I think that is also a big part of, it's also a big part of why you're the way you are, because you've never been able to get the childhood that you wanted. And I think that is what your partner is also sensing. And I think that adds into their energy towards you, like their connection towards you, because it feels like, maybe they can heal certain things from their own side. I think that is what they're thinking. Right. I don't know. This was very intuitive. Anything else? What else are their late night thoughts about you? Let's see. Yeah. Oh my God. Younger man or younger woman. Like, see, I told you, like, there's some kind of a dealings that you are doing, like, that have happened with you in your younger days, younger energies. Family. See, I got like well energy, family also. Like, something related to family has been a picking point for you. Okay, coming back. What are their late night thoughts about you? Anything else? Yeah, I think they really want to kind of pursue this connection, or they want to go out with you, or they want to sit with you and do something which is not do something, but they want to actually like get to know you from a, not like, okay, let's go out and drink and eat and all. No, they want to do something unique. They want to go to a temple with you. Is it coming as a temple energy? May. They would want to do this in May with you. Yeah. Not a temple energy. I'm getting an energy where they want to do something like, yeah, temple, or maybe something where like a waterfall, like a place where there is a lot of wind. But they only want you and them to be together, and they want to have like a conversation just with you and them. Matlab yahi hai. Nobody else should be around them. I'm getting that energy, okay, very, very strongly. This person has imagined a future also with you. I'm getting this energy where this person has had thoughts. May or July में होने वाला है ये. Like May to July. Could be any time between May to July. Okay? Where this person could happen. I think that this person is also wanting to share their own secrets with you because they feel like you are trustworthy. They have done that maybe in the past and they have not done with this with anybody else. So you also are like, you also feel like this person is able to share things about their life and they feel like they feel pulled to it. मतलब ऐसे नहीं है कि वो एकदम ही खुली किताब है और somebody can read them very easily. But they just feel that kind of a connection with you somehow. Like they feel like, you are the kind of person who will not judge, right? Remember, I got the Queen of Cups also. Like I feel like anybody, even if this person is there, anybody can open up anything with you and you are trustworthy like that. Secret admirer. I feel like this is a secret admirer. Like this person would, or they feel like they feel like there is a kind of a, yeah, they are secret admirer of you and they like the vibe that you give. They are happy around you. I think that this person also will gift you flowers. I'm getting that energy. Like they will give you some chrysanthemum or roses, or maybe your favorite flower is rose. They respect you. I think the crown has come in. They really respect you. I think they understand your hustle. They understand your vibe. They understand the kind of energy that you possess, and they actually want to kind of they actually want to tell you that you inspire me, or I honor you. And even if it's not something very huge that you've done, right? It's not something that you have done ki matlab aapne kuch ukhada hai, but they just get that kind of vibe with you where they're like, I respect the kind of person you are. Like the way you have brought yourself up, genuinely, it's pretty admirable, right? You could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or you can be an earth sign as well, Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. I feel like if the question at hand is that whether they want to kind of get into a relationship with you, the answer is no. They don't want to get into a relationship with you because they want to kind of guard you, right? It's like they want to be able to get to know all your weaknesses, strengths, protect you, and then feel like, okay, now is the time for me to be in a relationship. Like they don't want to be in a relationship just because there is love. They want to be able to earn it. I feel like this could be you as well. Like I feel like you also have this kind of a connection where you want to be their guardian angel. Like you want to be that angelic energy where you want to watch over them, and that's why you don't want to ruin the sanctity of this relationship. They're still trying to figure their energies out in this relationship. Like your partner, when like their thoughts about you is like, I don't know whether you are interested in them. So they're still trying to figure it out. They're still trying to say that, okay, if this person is not available for me, then is it a waste of time? But they're not able to stop themselves. And I feel like this has happened a lot of times where you have tried to stop talking or you have not been able to converse, but somehow you just come back and you start talking. Then there's a break and then somehow you start talking, because there's a kind of figuring out energy where I don't know, this person gives me such mixed energies. Although you might not be giving mixed energies, but they must be feeling like that, right? This person could be having some pets also. So, yeah, that is what is coming to me. Anything else that I need to know? Anything else? Okay, let's see this. Anything else? What are the other late night thoughts about this person? Hi. They feel like you are like a perfect counterpart, like a soulmate energy, but they are going to take a step back. I feel like this person is wanting to give time to this relationship, to this dynamic, although they feel in their spirit that this is a soulmate connection where they are able to feel that connection with you, but they still want to be able to kind of not create that. They don't want to stop this relationship from going in the flow that it is supposed to go. And that's why this person, although in their mind knows that there is some kind of a deeper connection, they still want to take a step back and not stop anything. Like they don't want to be a hindrance in where this relationship could take forward. Although they know ki acha energy and I vibe with this person, they're thinking in their mind that I don't want to I don't want to make this relationship a claustrophobic energy because I'm thinking of something that maybe the other person is not thinking. Do you get it? So that's why this person is taking a step back. Should you discuss this with them? Let's just look at this. Okay, should you discuss this energy that, okay, I think that you like me, I also like you. Do you want to discuss this energy? No, being needy. Remember, I said that you don't want to be needy. It's like you want to take the pressure off of this relationship as well. Okay. Yeah, I don't think that it's the right time. See, It's like you both are scared to get close to each other. I get it. And you should take initiative to talk and meet and keep the relationship alive. But that alive energy shouldn't be like you have to kind of get, like you have to press the trigger too soon. Do you get it? Like I feel like there's still a need for you to just look at this relationship from a perspective of, okay, let me figure it out. It's like what I can see is that if you press the trigger too soon and if you decide to talk about this immediately, you can be like you can get lost in this relationship, and you can be like, okay, maybe I should have looked at this relationship from a little bit more understanding, like I should have figured this person a little more out. Do you get it? So या देर इज लॉट ऑफ हाइडिंग एनर्जीज, मतलब अभी ना चीज़ें खुले में नहीं आई हैं, खुले में आने दो अच्छे से प्रॉपरली, like in the right time, not just by talking about everything in the under the sky, like really let the relationship reveal itself, right? Let the other person reveal their habits, their behavior patterns. हर चीज़ ना बात करने से नहीं होती. It's very interesting because we see that communication is key, but sometimes getting an understanding without communicating, but by gauging, that is more important. So I want you guys to gauge each other. This is a nice relationship. I'm telling you, this is a very nice vibe, and I feel like you will end up like having that kind of chemistry for life. But I want this relationship to not only be based on chemistry. Do you get it? It has to be based on something more philosophical, something more deep rooted. Some kind of a lesson has to be unraveled in this relationship to be able to take it forward. So yeah, guys, this is what it is for you. I hope I was able to help you. And please let me know if this resonated, if this connected with you, and what, what your thoughts are about this reading. Please do so. Please let me know. And yeah, I will see you soon. And if you can like this video, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. That will be very, very helpful. If you're interested in booking your tarot readings, you can do that as well. And yeah, thank you so much. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. All right, so if you have picked up pile number 2, which is this green candle, then this is going to be your tarot reading. We are going to see what are your partner's late night thoughts, and whatever is coming to me, I'm going to talk about it. So please do connect with their energies and let me also connect with you. So just think about this person, imagine their face, imagine their name, and let's see what is their connecting qualities. So if you want me to connect better with them, you could be wearing right now light green, peacock green, blue color. You would be wearing black as well, brown tones, yellow tones as well, and white as well. Okay, you could be having the name, the letter M T R L I B H. Did I say L also? And O in your name. In your name, okay? Not your name starting with that, okay? So let's see what are the connecting qualities of the person that you like or the partner. Ooh. Your partner is extremely charismatic, but they are very mysterious. Very, very mysterious. आपको समझ में नहीं आता this person's दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है, इनके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है, what is this person thinking. Very secretive. This could be a secret relationship also. You could be having a secret relationship. You could not be, like, this relationship is not known to people. This person has tattoos. This person is extremely charismatic, very charming, does not have Instagram or does not have social media or does not post a lot. This person could be in the same age range as you are, or slightly up and down, 1-2 years up and down. This person could be extremely dry when it comes to their behaviors, but people love this person. People love this kind of an energy. This person is kind of like, their aura is extremely magnetic. They have really, really nice hair, beautiful hair, silky hair kind of an energy. They're in a figuring it out phase. Like this person, I feel like this person is the kind of an energy where, although they're mysterious for others, they're extremely, extremely sensitive and emotional within. And I think only you can tap that. Only you are able to see that within them. I think that this is the kind of an energy who is mysterious and like a big bad boy or a big bad girl for the world. But for you, they're really sensitive. They're like a small puppy, right? This person could be having brownish like streaks, or maybe some little darker skin tone. Yeah, they could be having a very nice posture. Yeah, very good build also, average build, really nice body as well. Coming back, okay, so this is the kind of person that we're talking about. Again, this could be for man or woman. Please don't think that this is only one gender or two genders. This could be any person that you like, but it has to connect, okay? This person could also be like a Scorpio. This person could also be Gemini. This person could also be like an air element. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This person could also be a Leo. This person could also be an Aries. Okay. So that is what is coming to me now. Their late night thoughts about you. Let's see. No. Yeah. So give me some time. Let's connect with them. What are their late night thoughts about you? Just think about this person. Give me some time. They're upset about your behavior. They're very upset about something that you did or you said or you made them feel, and they're not able to forget about it. You made fun of them or you said something very insulting, and this person pretended as if they didn't care, but it really hurt them. They didn't show it, but they think about it. And they're very, very upset because they never expected it from you. Like they feel like you were better. They're very upset about your behavior. I feel like their late night thoughts are like, they do think about a future with you. What I'm getting is like their thoughts about you have shattered a little bit. But they had expected, like, I don't know what have you said, bhai? Aisa kya bol diya aapne? I want to see this. What have you said? Or maybe you did. Arey yaar, not this. Wait. What did you do? What did you say? What did you insinuate? What did they misunderstand? कुछ भी हो सकता है ना. God. Oh, insecurities. कुछ तो insecurity की बारे में बात करिए. Did you talk about the finances accidentally? Did you say something about their past? Insecurities. Oof. You talked about their emotion as well. You talked about you said that तुम्हें कितना जल्दी गुस्सा आ जाता है. You triggered something. You said something. Oh my God. I think you said. Okay, wait a second. Let me confirm this. You said something about them not being able to be committed. Like commitment phobic के बारे में आपने कुछ बात करी है. Or you said something about their friends. You said something that really triggered them. They got angry with you. They got upset with you. Like they showed that it doesn't care. Like they got angry with you and all that, but they were like, it's short, it's okay, it's fine. But it really is not. It stuck with them. आपने कुछ ऐसी बात करी जिसके बारे में वो सोच रहे हैं. And it really, like, I feel like at one point in time they're upset with you. They're like, they are badly like affected by what you did or what you said. Maybe it's an accident, whatever, but they still do care about you. They still feel that kind of a connection with you. They still feel like, you know what, they still expect you to come back. They still expect you to apologize. They still expect you to be emotional with them. This person is extremely insecure. I can feel that. This person is, although mysterious and very shady, but this person has a lot of unresolved feelings. Unresolved feelings. They have... Okay, let me just confirm what I'm saying. Some kind of a past chain of events have, like, they were vulnerable with you with some kind of past chain of events, and something that you said you did triggered that. Accidentally you said something. You did this in April. No, April to abhi chal raha hai. Maybe there'll be a conversation about this in April. Fear, worries, tense situations. Yeah. I'm also getting that maybe you betrayed them. Like, I feel like there is an energy where they feel betrayed by you. They feel like you were with somebody that they don't like, or you talked to somebody, or you shook hands with somebody, or you spoke like this person is very insecure. This person is kind of little controlling. Controlling वाली energy मुझे दिख रही है. Am I right, guys? Should I say that? Am I right? 8 of Swords. थोड़ा controlling वाली energy आ रही है. I don't know. They're not happy with the way... अरे यार, I need to shuffle this card. They're not happy with the way you behaved, and they expected you to respect them. They expected you to comply. They expected you to behave. Page of Cups, Queen of Pentacles. Interesting. I think you are not the kind of person who इतना seriously लेता है life को. You are like, okay, yeah, you felt upset. It's okay. I apologize. But आपके लिए it was like you were affected, but you thought that, okay, this is not a big deal. You were just being yourself, you know. This person actually likes you, but that liking is somewhere, it's giving me very like Kabir Singh vibes. Eight of Wands. Like Eight of Wands is good energy, but when too many wands come together, there's like a lot of pent up anger. Like I feel like there is a lot of like, okay, there's a lot of chemistry, there's a lot of magnetism, but there's also a lot of push and pull energy. Like I feel like there is a lot of fights, a lot of like arguments that happen, and it can escalate very easily. Yeah, I don't know, I'm getting this energy where this person is wanting to seek help from you. This person wants you to help them, but they are not opening themselves up. This person wants you to heal them, this person wants you to take care of them, but there is something that stops them. And now when you are like, okay, if you don't want my help, it's okay, I'll go na, let me do what I want to do, उसमें भी वो affected हो जाएंगे. अरे भाई तुम्हें चाहिए क्या? It's like this person is insecure about wanting to like be like listen I need help. मतलब वो तो एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे वो कभी भी कि भाई मुझे प्रॉब्लम है, मुझे इशू है, वो तो कभी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे. थोड़ा सा मेरे को ऐसे वुंडेड मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी दिख रही है. दिस कुड बी अ वुमन आल्सो गाइस. This could be a person who does not want to take help. They feel embarrassed to say that I need help. First point. Second point is, yet they still do. And if you are not helping them, they'll be affected कि भाई इसने मेरे से पूछा क्यों नहीं कि मुझे help चाहिए. So childish. Yeah, I feel like this person has this kind of a, this person maybe has also a broken family. I'm getting broken family energy. 10 of Pentacles reversed है. Broken family है. Tower. See, I told you, broken family energy आ रहा है मुझे यहाँ पे. Something has like suddenly like, I feel like they had to be like this. They had to be this kind of an energy which is extremely like extremely one dimensional. Well, they don't have multiple emotions in them. They just have one perspective, and they're very, they are like a big bad boy kind of an energy. I'm getting that kind of vibe. Right, I need to take out more cards. What else do they think about you? Okay, what are their late night thoughts? Now let's talk about that. Sorry, late night thoughts. What are their late night thoughts about you? They do, like, although they're upset with you, I feel like they still want this relationship to, they still love the feeling that they have with you. Let's just put it that way. Although they are upset with you right now, but it's like, it's also giving them that kind of feeling where this is the only person who understands me. This is the only person who will take that initiative. I'm getting this vibe where this person inherently is not a bad human being. This person is just not knowing enough. This person is immature. This person has problems with being able to open up to people, and that's why this person is expecting you to figure them out. Okay? Let's see more. Okay, let's see more. What else are they thinking? They get hurt so easily. इतने ज़्यादा easily hurt हो जाते हैं. And you know, this person has a tendency of being too stuck in the past. Like this person ना छोड़ेंगे नहीं एक चीज़ को जब तक मतलब आप एकदम, they'll pull things मतलब chewing gum की तरह खोल देंगे. Right? This person has an energy of getting extremely triggered very easily, gets offended very easily, and holds on to it for the rest of their life. मतलब बहुत ही grudge, they hold grudges. Okay? Even with you, like you're like, bro, I didn't mean it that way. Relax. इतना क्या इसमें होना है? Like you have to chill out. You know, this person gets very intense. Like this person is very intense, even with the love that they have. Like I've got 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups also. Intense emotions इनकी extremes में जाते हैं ये. And I think that is what they are also trying to fix. मतलब they must be like, their later thoughts are like, I need to fix this यार. मतलब this is something that I'm doing wrong for the other person. Because honestly, I feel like this person genuinely cares for you. But the way they react and they respond, it is like I can't control it. इनमें कुछ रौद्र रूप आ जाता है, and they're just not able to control what they're saying, what they're feeling, and they make judgments and they hold grudges. And there is another side of them which tells them that, listen, this is not you. You're projecting. This is a projection that they're doing. They are projecting their energies onto you. Poor you, yaar. You have to deal with so many things. I feel like this person has somebody in their life who well, there is somebody in their life who pushes this energy more and more. मतलब उनको और गुस्सा दिलाते हैं और उनको याद दिलाते हैं. मतलब somebody ना purposely tries to what is that word? कि मतलब they put मतलब क्या बोलते हैं उसे? They try to put fire more. Like they put more चिंगारी. They put more, आग में घी बहुत करते हैं. There is somebody in their life. This could be a family member. This could be not family member. This could be a friend or a colleague who puts more fire in this energy. Like बहुत ज़्यादा और आग डालते हैं और इसको और आग बढ़ाऊ करते हैं. Like the more you want to control this, they go to somebody, or they try to like tell, or they try to discuss this maybe, and the other person says that भाई ये तो गलत बात है यार, बहन ये तो गलत बात है, ये तो बहुत ही गलत बात हुई. If this is for a woman, she could be having like multiple girl groups, and they must be talking about this, and the girls would be like, yeah, this man is a big problem. But I can see love, like love is there, and I feel like this person would hate to see you go. Like this person would not want to, like this person is scared of you leaving them. That's why they will also like, will not say everything on your face ki I hate you or something like that. वो बिल्कुल ऐसे नहीं बोल पाएंगे. मतलब they'll be like, let it be, it has affected me, it's okay, give me some time, kind of an energy. Because there's a sense of fear, or there's sense of feeling like, what if this person goes from my life that they can't deal with, right? There are some external enemies that are in your relationship. There is an external enemy that is creating more and more struggles and more problems in this relationship. I can see it, and they are winning. This is a very unsettling energy. I feel like this partner na feels very unsettled in this relationship. They feel like either there is some kind of like they themselves are not able to really understand what is going on. मतलब उनके खुद unsettled energies हैं which are creating unsettled problems in this relationship also, which they know. It's like they're just not able to act on it, right? They're just not able to do anything about it, and they need your support. But when they need your support, they're not able to ask for it. If you show them the support, they will be like, no, I don't need the support. They will push you away. But why are you pushing the other person away? क्यों? Why are you pushing the other person away? Let's see. Why are you pushing you away? Like why is your person pushing you away? When they know that they need help, when they know they need to act on the things, when they know that they are at fault, when they know that their impulsivity, their hastiness is a problem. Why aren't? Because they don't want to change. They want to stay stuck where they are. They want to be. They are like, transformation is such a big thing. It is almost like them feeling like, I don't think that I can do it. Like I can't be on this journey. Like they feel like this is not something that I am comfortable in pursuing in life. Ugh. It's like they are a fan of you. They are a fan of the way you. I feel like they're very envious of the relationship that you share with your family also. I feel like they not envious. I will say that they feel like, I wish I could get what this person, what you have, and they respect you. They're a big fan of the way you live your life, and they wish they were like you. काश मैं तुम्हारे जैसा होता, काश मैं तुम्हारे जैसे ओपनली एक्सप्रेस कर पाता या कर पाती, काश मैं तुम्हारे जैसे होता जो भी आए मन में बोल सकता था, बट मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ ये, because there's some kind of a superiority complex that I hold, which is blocking me from being able to be like you. I feel like the reason why they are a big fan of you, or they want you in their life, is also because you are very very different to them. Like आप बिल्कुल similar नहीं हो, and that is what is something that actually they want. Maybe if they're not able to ask support from you openly from the mouth, maybe they can learn and like watch and learn. It's like, maybe it's yeah, they need to free themselves. मतलब बहुत ही बंधे हुए हैं. Like I'm getting such anxiety, not anxiety, but I'm getting such a controlling energy. They need to get back some kind of like they're too controlled, they're too self-restrictive. They don't express properly, they don't do what they want to do. Expression नहीं है, openness नहीं है, but चाहिए भी. But upset हो जाते हो जब आप open करते भी हो या कोई और open होता भी है. क्या चल रहा है भाई? Yeah, I feel like they think that they're unlovable. I feel like they think that they are unlovable. And they need to be told that they are lovable. And you know what? The moment you tell them that, listen, you deserve love, they will not ever believe you. They'll be like, no, I don't. I'm a monster. I'm this, I'm that. But they don't want to accept that love can heal them. They don't want to accept that. They just don't want to accept the fact that they need support, they need help, they need some kind of a, like they need somebody to just sit with them and tell them that, listen, you are not broken. You are a simple person with simple problems, with a very simple life, who just needs maybe a hug. That. I feel like your bond will deepen over time. Because I think that this person will be able to do good in this relationship. I feel like this person will be able to manage this relationship. So the solution for this is now, I will say that you need to give them indirect feedback. But don't be direct with this energy. Like be indirect. Be a person ki, अगर तुम ऐसे कर सकते थे या कर सकती थी ना तो शायद अच्छा होता. मतलब you have to feed into their ego but also give them indirect feedback. कि मतलब think about it this way, like your aura will become very good if you do start doing this, like a child. मतलब बच्चे की तरह आपको इनको समझाना पड़ेगा, मतलब seriously. um this person is also envious of the skills that you have. Like envious नहीं बोलूंगी, but they feel like there are certain skills that you possess which are soft skills. मतलब कुछ बहुत ही आसानी से आप कुछ चीज़ें कर लेते हो या कर लेते होंगे जो उनसे नहीं होता है. Like I think that you will be able to kind of forgive people very easily. Maybe you're a person who doesn't take life too seriously. Like I'm getting this energy where you are the Geet and he's the Aditya of Jab We Met. Maybe that's your favorite film also. Right. Anything else that I need to know? Anything else that I need to know? Okay. Let's see. Anything else that I need to know about this relationship? What else are they thinking? What else are their late night thoughts? They imagine you being with them in their house with them. They really think that sometimes they just need your presence. They don't need you to say anything. मतलब उनको चाहिए कि बस presence में या जो भी आप कहना चाहते हो वो सिर्फ बिना कहे बिना बातचीत करे हो जानी चाहिए. I feel like this could be a thing also where you both are able to express yourself or able to communicate without even talking to each other. Like there is an energy where you both don't need words to express. It's just matter of some few looks towards each other. I think the gaze also is very strong. I feel like you both have a very strong gaze. This person could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces also. Like the only thing that you need is just to look at each other and you'll exactly know what the other person is feeling or what the other person is thinking. And I feel like this person has this kind of a tendency where they like I'm getting this energy where this person wants to also travel with you. Travel is coming to me a little bit. Yeah, they wish that they could be like when they're thinking about you now, they wish that you were there with them. Like in that moment, they wish that you were there with them. I feel like in at night when it comes to their late night thoughts also, it hurts them that they also are hurting you sometimes. It is like they know that sometimes they behave in a certain very mean manner. They are very, very rude and ruthless. And it hurts them. It hurts them that they have to be like this. It's like giving me very like dark energies, Like they are like, why am I bringing this person into my mess? मेरे life के mess में मैं इसको क्यों involve कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ? That kind of an energy I'm getting. Yeah, 5 wands. Like they are very upset with your behavior. मतलब कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा है. But I think they will be able to forgive you. I think they will be able to, like they want to forgive you. Like they are wanting you to kind of just be there for them. They just want you to be able to just show up. Over time, they'll be able to fix it. Don't expect this person to apologize. They apologize नहीं करेंगे. वो बस one fine day they'll just be like, yeah, okay, let's talk. And I think this has happened in the past also. Ki there's not like an apology. Like listen, let's sit down and unravel what we had a discussion. वो कोई concept है ही नहीं कि let's sit down and communicate as to what went wrong. ये वाली energy कभी आई ही नहीं है in person से. It's just like one fine day you wake up and things are fine. It's like that transformation. Like this person is scared about the love transitioning them. Like this person is not wanting to allow things to conquer them. इनको ये accept ही नहीं करना कि ये गलत है या इनको ये accept ही नहीं करना कि वो like there is a need for them to like सर झुकाना इनको आता नहीं है. They don't want to झुकाओ their सर. And प्यार के सामने ना बड़े बड़े अच्छे अच्छे सर झुकाते हैं. उनको वो नहीं करना है. They don't want to. This person doesn't want to deepen their understanding of life basically. Through love, they don't want to. They don't want to. They are happy in their own bubble. अपने preconceived notions में अपने bubble में खुश हैं ये. And that's why there's a problem in this relationship where they want to connect with you, but they don't want to go deeper. They want to be with you, but they don't want to. They want to connect with you, but they don't want to. They don't want to plug in. Like I don't know. See, beware of what you're projecting. See. I told you, like this person is projecting their energies towards you. So why would you also like entertain this behavior? अगर आपको वो इज्जत नहीं मिल रही है तो वही why would you go ahead and like why would you also comply na? So they are projecting their energies towards you. Like if this person is like not going to be receptive, then they will also not receive that reception back. Do you get it? Like they need to, like this person, I think that in the late night thoughts now, they definitely feel like you are, and them have a very big union. Like I can see soulmate union also for you. But it's like when it comes to their relationship now, they are just not able to listen to their heart. अपने दिल की सुन ही नहीं सकते हैं, उनको सुनना ही नहीं आता है. They are having blocked heart chakra for sure. And they are scared about whatever choices that come in their love life. Like they are not wanting to make choices. They don't want to make the big choices. They don't want the big transformations. They don't want to take the big decisions. But you get upset about things very bigly. मतलब आप अपसेट तो ऐसे हो गए जैसे एक्चुअली बॉयफ्रेंड या गर्लफ्रेंड हो, लेकिन काम उसका ढीले भर का नहीं करोगे. अपसेट तो ऐसे जाते हो कि मतलब अभी आप लोगों की शादी हुई है एंड यू हैव डन समथिंग एंड यू आर वेरी अपसेट, but you are not giving the energy of, of that kind of an energy where, okay, if you're upset so much, is there something about us, between us, कि आपको इतना अफेक्ट हुआ है. इतना अगर अफेक्ट हुआ है तो कुछ ना कुछ हमारे बीच में चल रहा है तो आपको इतना अफेक्ट हो रहा है. डू गेट इट? वो वाली एनर्जी भी देते नहीं है ये. ओके, वन कार्ड हैज फॉलन. वन सेकंड. Yeah, they really need to pay attention into their energies. I think this person is very, like, this person is not paying attention properly or is in their own bubble, right? I'm getting this energy where this person doesn't understand where to put that energy where. Frazzled energy hai bilkul. And there are so many opportunities that they get a lot of opportunities, but they are just not able to do anything about it. What else is the third, like, not third party, sorry, late night energies of this person? Remember, I told you that this person has that energy of, like, I've got an eye. This person has, like, they keep an eye on you. Even if they are not able to express it, they are not able to say it, they look at you all the time. And I think that is what their late night thoughts are also. Like, I'm just, like, they are just observing you, just thinking about you, they're just looking at you. It's not even they have a particular thought. They just observe you. They just want to see you and think and have this kind of a feeling like, मुझे बस इसको देखना है. I just want to admire this person from afar, kind of an energy. Yeah, they really want to make this, like, they want to get over this difficult part. Like, they want to get over this energy of them being upset with you. They don't like being upset with you. They don't want to have a grudge against you. And that's the most difficult part, because they don't know what to do. They don't know how to come out of it. They don't know what it is that is going to make them feel okay. It's like this person is extremely broken from inside. And that's what is they're projecting on you. They project this energy on you all the time. This person is showing strength in the wrong times. मतलब जहाँ strength नहीं दिखानी चाहिए वहाँ दिखाते हैं, जहाँ strength दिखानी चाहिए वहाँ दिखाते हैं, जहाँ नहीं दिखानी चाहिए वहाँ दिखाते हैं. मतलब this person is like, they will ना, जो actual enemies है ना, external enemies, उनको वो friends मान के चलेंगे. आप उनके जो loved ones हैं, the people who actually love them, they will treat them like shit. It's like, this is a person who's not able to, remember I told you, this person is having problems of recognizing. Focus नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी focus नहीं है. जो आपके loved ones हैं उनको आप बिल्कुल push out कर रहे हो. This is for the person that I'm like, who you like. And जो आपका बिल्कुल ही गलत चाहते हैं उनको आपने लजीज अजीज दोस्त बना के रखा है. Not लजीज अजीज दोस्त बना के रखा है. You need a break. Like, this person needs a break from people. I also feel like there's going to be some kind of a conversation or communication that will happen in the month of May. The way they compliment also you also is so हटके अलग ही compliment करेंगे कि you're not wearing black anymore. Okay, it suited you. मतलब ऐसा कि ऐसे ही बोलेंगे, you look so beautiful in black. No, they'll be like, yeah, okay, you didn't wear that. Okay, that's a good thing. ऐसे अजीब तरीके से वो compliment करेंगे आपको. Somebody gossips about you with them and they don't like it. That I can tell you. They don't like it when somebody speaks badly about you. They will take a stand with you about, like when it comes to you, they will take a stand. Like, that is what I think they're thinking at late night also. Ki people are feeling like this person's ears about you, but they're like, no, I want to know it by myself. मुझे खुद इसको judge करना पड़ेगा, which is a good thing. At least वो कि बहकावे में तो नहीं आ रहे इतना. They need to be able to find some kind of a solidity within their own esteem. Self-esteem में solidity लाने की ज़रूरत है. Right? I'm getting this energy where they need to find that kind of a respite within themselves. There is such a third party energy. Somebody is trying to make them do something against their will, for sure. And this is something that is actually almost going to be, if this person doesn't have that सूझबूझ ना, the other person or the external person can also be successful at that job of making them turn against you. कान भरे जा रहे हैं, कान भरने वाली एनर्जी बहुत स्ट्रांगली मुझे नजर आ रही है. Anything else? Yeah, this person really has, like, I'm getting again 5 of swords. Like, this person has such wrong assumptions about the relationship, about you. And the reason why they have such wrong assumptions about this relationship is because they have wrong assumptions about their own selves. So even in their, like, thoughts, right, they misunderstand every single thing that you do. Every single thing that you do, they misunderstand. It's like you want to support them, you want to help them, but they take that help as, oh my god, I think this person wants to show that they're better than me, kind of an energy. although you are आप हो उनसे better, but still they don't like it, right? Anything else that is coming to me? I think that you need to kind of make this person ना sit with themselves. आप थोड़ा step back हो जाओ, क्योंकि there is an energy where I feel like this person needs to figure their own selves out. आप चाहे कुछ भी करो ना, you will be the villain. You do anything, you will be termed as a villain. You will be deemed as a villain. So it's better that you don't chase this person, be unavailable for some time. This person will come to you when they have to. Like, it's high time that you don't let this person's ego get the best of you and stop letting this projection get projected on you. I feel like you need to be able to take this false belief out that आप कुछ भी सहन कर लोगे, and हर चीज में अगर this person has to flip and has to get upset and has to be impulsive, then you don't want to attach. Like, give this person the breathing room. चाहिए ना space, ले ले भाई. Take the breathing room, take that space. I'm not going to interact too much. You need to calm yourself down. When you're ready, come back to me. ऐसा वाला energy आपको रखना है, right? Yeah, I think that will heal them. I think that this person, when they are able to get that healing, I also feel like you don't have to give too much space, because then this person will, don't give too much space also. Matlab, be around them, look at them, observe them, but don't take shit from them, is what I'm saying. Because if you give them too much space now, then this person will go into that third party energy and completely get consumed. So support them and be there for them, but don't be like, change yourself also. Like, कुछ चीज़ों में आप अपने अंदर भी बदलाव लाओ, जहाँ पे you're able to understand, okay, this person also needs to mature up by themselves. You cannot handhold them and tell them and spoon feed them how to act and behave in a relationship. So that is what is coming to me, guys. I hope I was able to help you. This is for you, Pile B, and pretty heavy energies, honestly, not gonna lie. And I hope that you resonated with this reading. I hope that disconnected. And if you did, then let me know. Please comment. And please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please tap on the bell icon so that you get notified about all my future readings as well. And if you want to have a personal session with me, then you can always book a session. And all the information is in the description box below. And yeah, I will see you soon in the next video. And please take care. And yeah, take care. Bye.